So you can access Grok for free using the method I'm about to show you. Instead of paying around 50,000 naira or $30 every month for Super Grok, you can get access for less than 4,000 naira, that's less than $3, and still create your AI videos. This is the same Grok and same quality, just at a discounted rate. I'm going to show you a method you can use to subscribe to have access to Grok, for free. Yes, in this video. So make sure you watch the video to the very end and follow the instructions as seen here, as at the time of recording, this is actually how I did mine. Share this video with other creators so they don't miss out. Okay, so if you come to Grok, you will notice that you'll be asked to pay $30 per month to access Super Grok for you to be able to create your AI videos. I'm going to show you how to use Grok in a cheaper way. You're not going to be paying up to $30 per month as stated here. All you need to do is to go to twitter.com, that is X. So just go to twitter.com, that's X. You can access this through your mobile phone. Everything I'm going to be showing you right here can be accessed via your mobile phone. Just follow the procedure carefully, right? So just go to x.com, that is Twitter. So if you don't have an account with Twitter, you need to create an account, right? If you have an account, go ahead and log in into your Twitter account. Once you're done logging in, this is what you're going to see. Just go ahead and click on your profile. If you're using your mobile phone, locate your profile, click on it so you can have access to this panel. And now you're going to look for, just place your cursor, like in my own case, I'm using a computer. I'm going to look for premium. So look for premium on your profile. Look for premium, like it has this X icon as seen on my own system. So I'll just click on premium, and then this is what you're going to see. You have these three options, as you can see, under the monthly subscription. The basic is 3,050 naira per month. And right here, look, these are the stores, or these are the things you can do. Reply boost and all of this. You don't need this for AI video generation. If you choose this basic one, you won't be able to create AI videos. Now, if you come to this one where we have premium, currently they are doing it at 3,800 naira per month as at the time of recording this tutorial. It used to be 7,600 naira per month as seen from here, but there is a discount, or it's done at a discounted rate, which is 3,800 naira per month. And right here, you have access to enhanced Grok access, as you can see from here. So with this, you can create your AI videos. We also have other features. We don't need that. This particular tutorial is basically for how to access Grok to create AI videos at a discounted rate. So under the Premium Plus, you can see what is written here is 60,390 naira, which is kind of equivalent to that $30 we saw on the Grok page. But they are doing it at a discounted rate. Now that's 30,000 naira per month. And you have access to Super Grok and all other things. So according to what I learned about this platform, you can do 200 animations on the Premium Plus. While on this one, you can do about 30 animations. So you may need to go for this one for a start. At least you test it out, then you can now choose the one that will work best for you, maybe after, especially if you are using AI for your content creation. So now I'm going to go with this one, and I'll need to just go ahead and subscribe by clicking on this. So just go ahead and click on subscribe and pay to have access. Okay, so as you can see, you're paying 3,800 naira per month until the coupon expires. So normally it's supposed to be 7,600 naira, right? But there's a premium discount that is 50% off for 2 months, and which is 3,800 naira. This one is roughly about $3. No, it's not even up to $3. So it's better you jump on this and quickly do this before it increases, because at the time of recording, this is what I can see right here. So all you just need to do is to enter your email address, your card information. You can use your normal card, your MasterCard, Visa card to pay depending on your location. And once you put your information, just go ahead and hit subscribe. Now, once your payment is successful, come to Grok, and then you sign in. Sign out of your previous account, because you are going to be signing in with X. Log in with X. This is the option you're going to choose. Not log in with email, not log in with Google. So you are logging in with X, right? So once you log in with X, it will link up with your Twitter account or your X account and log you in. All right, you can see, just give it, authorize app, and it will log in through your X account. Click on Imagine, right? normal, the same way we'll be doing it, and then you can proceed with your generation. So, and that's it. I hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video